guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Graces.Boutique, also known as Forever_Looming on Instagram. In today's video, I'm gonna do Halloween inspired rainbow loom bracelets. So this is part 1 of Halloween inspired things, but with rainbow loom. And today we're gonna be doing some fishtail bracelets. So I have my bead emoji kit right here that I got from the My Favorite Rainbow Loom item giveaway in April, back in April. I have an unboxing of this on my channel. So I will be using the Happy Loom. And the colors I'll be using are orange, white. Oh, did a black fell in there? Yes, black fell. And black. So those are the first colors I'm going to be using. Oh, and of course an airplane goes over when I'm doing this. So first we are going to be placing the bands on the Happy Loom as I'm doing so. I'll be using 2 colors of each. So technically it's kind of like a tutorial, but like making inspired rainbow loom Halloween creations, aka bracelets for few episodes, and then I'll be going to do Lumigurumi. So these are the colors I'll be using. So first we are going to take the black and we're going to make a figure 8. Then we're going to take another black, place it on top. We're going to take a white, an orange, and place it on top, just like that. Then you're going to put the bottom 2 over. Take another orange, place it on top, and you should have 3 bands on your loom. Take the bottom and flip it over. Then we're going to take a white, place it, and bring the last orange band at the bottom over. Take another white and do the same thing. And then take the orange band over just like that. And you take a black and you're just going to keep going, oops, to however long you want your bracelet to be. And I feel like I like making fishtails with this than on the loom because it's pretty simple in my opinion. And if you want to start with rainbow loom but you don't want to get like a actual loom kit, this will be great as a beginner. And it comes with so many colors. So, oh my word, sorry about my dog. She thinks she's in control. But if you want to start learning how to do just like the simple fishtails and like give it to your friends and stuff, there is a Halloween kit that I kind of want to get, honestly. but I haven't gotten it yet, sadly. Just because of the beads that are in there. So yeah. So you're gonna do this until you reach the length of your bracelet. Okay, so once you have your length of your bracelet, you're gonna get one of your C-clips, and you're gonna take the bottom band and just loop it up like that. Then you're gonna take this one and move it over just like that. I'll do that again in case you were confused, because that was the confusing thing that I did when I first started making fishtails a couple years ago. So you're gonna take this one, take gently off the hook, and move it over here. Then you're gonna take one C-clip, and you are going to try to see how I can do it without having my fingers in the way. I'm gonna place it on just like that, and you take it off. Then you're going to grab the end of this one, place on the other side. So here is one of your fishtails that you can make with the Happy Loom. Now with that Happy Loom, you could get this with the treasure box or the Loomy Pals. So you can get this in any other kit besides, I don't think it comes with this one, because I don't remember, but I got mine with my Loomy Pals that they gave me for the giveaway. So stay tuned for that, because I might do a Loomy Pal bracelet tutorial as well. So next, I'm going to show you how to make with the other loom. So now we are going to make a fishtail using the Speed Loom. Now this is what comes with the Beamoji kit. It comes with 2 Speed Looms, which is kind of hard to get, but it comes with 2 Speed Looms so you and your best friend can make bracelets. And it comes with 2 speed hooks, which look like this. So you can make any bracelet, including fishtail or single chain, with the Speed Loom. That requires 2 pegs. So the colors that I'll be making my next Halloween bracelet is this pastel green or neon green. I just saw one. Okay. Then I'll be making with this purple and this black. So it kind of reminds me of like Frankenstein, but like in a pastel version. I will be making one with like the darker colors as well. But so to start off, we won't be having this little loop thing. So to start off, we will be doing a figure 8, just like you did with the other one. And then place this one on top. Grab your black and place it on top. So you can use your fingers or you can use the handy dandy Speed Loom. And you're just gonna grab. It's gonna take a while to get used to because I'm so used to doing it with my fingers. pull it up like that. Then you're gonna take another black. Take a Speed Loom. And flip it over. Take your purple. Speed Loom hook. Oops. Flip it over like that. So you're just gonna keep doing that with this loom. The length of your bracelet like you did with the other one. So I'm going to show you a few more times. Take your Speed Loom. Take another one. Take your black. And I'll be back once I finish this bracelet. Oops, sorry guys. Alright you guys, so once you have the length of your bracelet, you should have 2 bands on your loom, like so. It wants to focus, there we go. So you're going to take your hook and just loop the bottom bands, oops, over, just like that. And you're going to do the same like you did with the other loom. You're going to take a C-clip, or any type of clip. If it wants to come off, oh, there we go. There's some. Clip it on just like that. And there you have your finished fishtails. I did 2 different sizes, so these are the 2 part 1 of Rainbow Loom Fishtail Bracelets. So thank you guys so much for watching this video / tutorial. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more looming, crocheting, any type of content you would like to see. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.